How to fix Wi-Fi not working on Windows 11. So if you want to fix Wi-Fi not working on your Windows 11, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply go with your control center, which is on the bottom right, and make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on. And the other thing you need to make sure is your airplane mode. So make sure that it is not turned on. If it is turned on, you just need to simply go and turn it off. Once you turn off your airplane mode, now the next thing you need to do is right click on your Windows, go with settings. Now under settings, just go with system and scroll down and go with troubleshoot. Go with other troubleshooters. And here you need to go with two things, which is network and internet, and the other thing is network adapter. So if you don't find the network adapter, you can go with network and internet and then go with run, which is on the right side. So run the troubleshooter for network and internet, and after running the troubleshooter, then your problem might be fixed. If this still doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next solution, which is you just need to simply search for control panel. Once you search for control panel, make sure that you have large icons right here. Go with the drop down and select large icons. And then you need to go with network and sharing center. Now under network and sharing center, go with the left side, which has change adapter settings. And here you will have your Wi-Fi right under your network connections. So make sure that it is enabled. Right click on it and then make sure that it is enabled. If it is disabled, you just need to simply go and enable it. Once you enable, then your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and move on to the next solution, which is just open up your settings and go with a network reset. So just go with find a setting and then search for network reset and then click on it. And here you will have network reset. So go with the right side, click on it and then go with reset now. And once you reset your network, then your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is you need to update or uninstall the driver. So to do that, you need to open up your device manager. Once you open up your device manager, you need to go with network adapters and then select your Wi-Fi. Once you've selected, you just need simply right click on it and go with properties. And under properties, make sure that you're under the driver section. Under driver, you can go with update driver and update your driver. But if it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, then you just need simply go and uninstall the device. And once you uninstall the device, then you just need simply go and restart your device. And once you've restarted, then it will automatically install your drivers and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last solution that you can use, open up your services. So search for services, and once you've searched for services, it will open up the services window. So you just need to simply click on it, any service, and then press D on your keyboard. And here you need to go with the service which is DHCP client. Right click on it and make sure that it is running or that it is enabled. Once it's enabled, then your problem might be fixed. Go with properties and make sure the startup type is enabled or automatic. And the other service that you would like to check is WLAN AutoConfig. So do the same process with this also. Right click on it, go with properties, and make sure the startup type is automatic or enabled, and then start the service. If you started the service, then go with apply and OK, and your problem will be fixed. So these were the solutions to fix your Wi-Fi not working on your Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.